What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at the E-Tape 16. This is a smart measuring tape. There's different ones out there. I came across this on Amazon a while back. I've been holding on to it for a while and I finally decided to pull it out and show you guys. If you're a contractor or even just a regular guy and obviously you do things around the house, maybe you want to hang a picture, something like that, you need one of these, because I know I do. I'm not a big fan of taking a ton of measurements and then having to write it down and figuring out, okay, I've got this wall, it's this long, where's the halfway mark? This figures it all out for you. Not only that, it'll also save two different measurements at the same time, so you don't have to write your stuff down. It's also a converter, so it'll go from standard to metric, it'll show fractions on a convenient little display. Another neat feature about this is this button right here. This is the inside out measurement button, and what this does is you can actually choose whether the measurement is coming from the end of the tape where the actual tape measure begins, or it starts over here. So just imagine you're in a corner and you know how you have to take the measuring tape and then you have to bend the tape and put it up in the corner? You don't have to do that anymore. If you set this to measure from the back of the measuring tape itself, all you gotta do is slide it up against the wall and it'll tell you. It actually knows the measurement of the actual device itself and it adds that into the measurement that is shown on there. So that's freaking clever. It's also extremely rugged, it's durable. They have a little video online and it showed a dude, he was up on a ladder and he dropped it and the guy picked it up and just started using it again. So these things are made to last. Not only that, but it's also weatherproof. Yeah, let's just open this thing up, see what we got. I'm pretty sure this takes batteries and it doesn't say what batteries on the package, so I'm gonna have to figure it out and then go get some. Unless it already has some in there. Instructions, whatever. Okay, very basic red. It's got the metal clip on the back for your belt. You've got your tape lock here, so you can just lock it in place so it doesn't slide back. Boom, pull it up. There we go. Very simple tactile buttons. I have no idea what kind of batteries this takes. Does it take batteries? Okay, so here's the battery. So you push this and you pull that out. There we go. Takes a button cell battery. Look at that. All right, there we go. Okay, so now that the display is on, so I'm just gonna leave it as is and I'm just gonna start pulling. Now check this out. So once you start, there's no writing, there's no guessing or anything like that. This takes all the guessing out of measurement. Once you start pulling, it starts showing exactly the measurement. Check that out. If I want, I can hit the arrows right here and that arrow should change. There we go. So now it's gonna measure from this side. So I may have it pulled out 2 inches right here, but it's measuring the entire thing, so it's actually 5 inches in total. So like I said, you pull it up against a wall and that's your measurement right there. There's no guessing. That's really, really convenient. So I'm gonna measure the table. Now check this out. Well, I'll measure from here to there. Right now it's a 1 foot 9 7/8 inch, okay? So if I hit the center button, boom, it tells me exactly 10 7/8. So that's 10 7/8. So if you're trying to hang a picture, you'd get the measurement and you're like, crap, how do maybe you don't know how to convert those numbers. Not everybody knows that knowledge. Not everybody is a carpenter. You don't have to even know. Even a carpenter is gonna forget how to do that once he gets himself one of these. This is awesome. This is now my new favorite measuring tape, 100%. You could barely pull it, just like that. Look at that, so slow. And then, you know what, let's convert it from inches to centimeters. There we go, shows centimeters. That's so cool. No more pens. You're not gonna need a pen when you have something like this. You do your measurement, you're done, you go away. You know what, I'm glad that I finally opened this thing up. I've held on to it for a long time, but I'm so glad that I finally opened it up because honestly, I could have used that just recently. Oh well, whatever. I know about it now. In my next project, I'm definitely gonna be pulling this thing out. But I highly suggest going to check it out. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. You guys know what to do. But for now, get out of here.